If you're in your early 30s and feel like you're behind financially, you're not alone. But here is the truth that most people overlook. Your job, the one you have right now, can be the launchpad to your financial freedom. Not overnight, but with consistency and the right habits, it absolutely can change your future. We're not here to talk about side hustles, crypto, or quitting your job to follow your passion. We're here to talk about using what you already have, your current income, more powerfully. Step 1. Shift how you see your paycheck. Most people see their paycheck as the end goal. You work, you get paid, you spend, repeat. But your paycheck isn't the finish line. It's your investment fuel, your tool to build something bigger. From this moment on, treat your job as your first investor, not your forever situation, but your foundation. Next up, know where your money's going. Before you try to change your finances, track them. For 1 month, just write down where every dollar goes. No judgment, no guilt. You can't fix what you don't understand, and most people are shocked when they see the real numbers. Subscriptions they forgot. Impulse buys they don't remember. $5 here, $50 there. It adds up. This one habit alone can put you back in control. Your third step, set a simple goal for this month. Now ask yourself, what's one small goal you can reach in 30 days? It could be saving $200, or paying off a credit card, or just finishing the month without going into your overdraft. Start small, but start with intention. Your first goal doesn't need to impress anyone. It just needs to build momentum. Step 4. Spend on purpose, not autopilot. Most spending isn't planned. It's emotional. It's convenient. It's automatic. We swipe, tap, and click our purchases without even thinking. But the real power comes from pausing. Before your next purchase, ask yourself, do I really want this? Will I still want it tomorrow? Is this helping me reach the goal I just set? You'd be surprised how often the answer is no. This isn't about deprivation. It's about intention. When you stop spending on autopilot, you start taking control. And that's where real freedom begins. This is the first step in a bigger journey. Financial freedom isn't about getting lucky. It's about being intentional, week after week, month after month. You already have what you need to start: your income, your mindset, and now, the right habits. You're not behind. You're just getting started. Changing these habits won't get you to financial freedom if you don't know what to do with your paycheck when you receive it. This video will tell you how to do that. If you are watching this video when it is released, it will be released 3 days after this one.